Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody, let me introduce myself. My name is Misbahul Bahri. In this section, we will learn how to determine the maximum value of linear programming using ruler method in GeoGebra. I have the problem. Determine the maximum value of the objective function z equal to 2x plus 4y with constants negative x plus 3y less than or equal to 15 and 2x plus y less than or equal to 12 and x greater than or equal to 0 and y greater than or equal to 0. Let's begin to solve that problem. First, input the first equation line. We have negative x plus 3y equal to 15. That we get the equation lines and we give the names. Then input the second equation. We have 2x plus y equal to 12, and then we give the name of the line equation. Then, to determine the visible area, input the all inequalities that we have. The inequalities is negative x plus 3y less than or equal to 15 and 2x plus y less than or equal to 12 and x greater than or equal to 0 and y greater than or equal to 0. So this is the visible area of this linear program. And then we will to determine the corner points of this visible area by the intersection point between two equation lines. We will choose these tools and then this is tool and choose intersect tool. We give the name of this intersection between the x-axis and y-axis. Is equal to A, point A, and then the intersection point between the first equation and the y-axis we give the point B, and then the intersection point between the first equation and the second equation we give the name point C, and the last intersection point between the x-axis and the second equations, we give the name point D. So we have the 4-point corner in the visible area. To determine the maximum value of the objective function, we input the objective function. We have 2x plus 4y equal to k. Because we will use the ruler method, this equation of the objective function as a ruler. We change this interval of value of the k, 0 and 50. Step is 1. And then we will start the motion of this line. At the point A 0, 0, we get the value of the objective function is 0, and we will start the motion of this line. At the point D 6, 0, we get the value of the objective function is 12. Next, at the point B 0, 5, we get the value of the objective function is equal to 12. And then at the point C 3, 6, we get the value of the objective function is equal to 30. So we can conclude that the maximum value of the objective function 2x plus 4y on this linear program is equal to 30 at the point C 3, 6. Or we can say that the maximum value of the objective functions is equal to 30 at the point x equal to 3 and x and y equal to 6. I think enough for these sections. Thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.